center at our local Goodwill for $12.99. This thing retails for $135. She's not in the best shape in the world, so let's get her fixed up.
There's some on the front too.
Ideas on how we should paint this. Right now we're thinking about just staining and sealing the wood and then painting the parts that are already painted more of like a sage green. But let us know what you think. Well, kiddo just woke up from a nap, so this is the end of part one of getting the garden center fixed up. We made it a lot more stable already. Stay tuned for the next part when we'll do some sanding and